Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I shall be taking you through how to duplicate almost any object using Photoshop. With your image launched, Photoshop application opened, with your object there. Usually I would like to duplicate the object, this layer. So you can use a shortcut Ctrl J. This is duplicated. So then you move to the selection tool, and let's say I would want to use quick selection today. I will zoom in, pressing the Control key with the plus, and then I start my selection. Using the square brackets, the right square bracket to increase, and then the left to decrease. So I'm increasing, then I select. Make sure the plus is what is selected. That's what adds to the selection. The minus just subtracts from the selection. Okay. I want to reduce it so I can go in there. Reduce it, I'll go in there. Okay, so I'd want to zoom in, Control plus. I want to zoom in so I get the selection right. So I would pick up the minus, the negative, so I can take out these parts. Because that shouldn't be selected. I don't need it to be selected. I zoom in more to make sure that I have it selected rightly. I zoom out. Okay, there. I need to add this to the selection, so I go to the plus, increase my tool. There. I zoom out. Okay. I think I need to zoom in here, make sure that I get it selected rightly with the plus still on. I click there. Click there. I'm trying to be accurate as much as possible. There. Okay. I zoom out so I can get the selection right. I zoom into the other hand. I guess I need to add this part to make it a little better. And the face there. Then the hair here, I need to include that also. Need to add that also. And okay, I zoom out. Great. So my object is selected. You just right click, and then you choose layer via copy. So I have my layer copied. Okay, so I would want to move to the edit tool tab over there, then to transform, and I'd want to flip horizontally, and there I'd go to my move tool, and I move it here. Zoom out so we can see it, and there we just duplicated the object. Please do subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what next you want me to teach you on. Thank you very much.